In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what Shopify theme a store is using. This is really useful if you found a store you like and want to know which theme they're using so you can get a similar look and feel for your own store. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google. Any browser is fine, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or something else. Once Google has loaded, you'll see the search bar in the middle of the screen. Click into the search bar and type the phrase Shopify Theme Detector. You don't need quotation marks, just those 3 words. This search will bring up a variety of online tools designed specifically to identify which theme a Shopify store is using. When you're done typing, press Enter on your keyboard. On the results page, look through the first few results and find the one called Shopify Theme Detector. What Shopify theme is that? This is a well-known tool that makes the process quick and easy. Go ahead and click on that result to open the site. Once the Shopify Theme Detector website has loaded, you'll see a field where you can paste or type in a store's URL. This is where you enter the web address of the Shopify store you're curious about. For example, it might look like examplestore.com. Make sure you're using the full correct address so the tool can scan the right site. If you already have the store open in another tab, you can simply copy the URL from the browser's address bar and paste it into the field. After you've entered the store's URL, look for the button that says Detect Theme. When you're ready, click on that button. The tool will now scan the store, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once the scan is complete, the site will display the theme information it has found. This will typically include the name of the Shopify theme and sometimes whether it's a standard Shopify theme or a custom one. From here, you can search for that theme in the Shopify theme store or use it as inspiration for your own design. And that's all there is to it. By using a simple Google search and a free online detector, you can quickly find out